Frustrated with the Ogg Vorbis Codec DLL pop-up blocking your software? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows support engineer, and I'll walk you through the diagnostic repair to get things running smoothly again. This DLL file is a foundational library for the Ogg Vorbis audio container format. It provides the necessary logic for applications to read and write Ogg files, commonly used in games and open-source media players for efficient audio. With the explanation out of the way, let's refresh the affected files. The Ogg Vorbis Codec DLL is part of the parent software suite, the software where you encountered your error, application package. A full reinstall of the latest official version of the application will repair missing or damaged components. Should the file remain missing after a reinstall, we need to ensure that the operating system is forced to re-index its shared library paths. A quick system restart is a practical way to ensure that all shared libraries, including the Ogg Vorbis Codec, are being loaded correctly into the current session's memory. To keep this tutorial handy, make sure to bookmark it, or hit like button before you reboot. It saves you from having to look for the video again once you're back online. While we've identified the fix, it's vital to discuss how to keep your environment secure from common threats. Remember that the Ogg Vorbis Codec DLL is part of a complex ecosystem. Changing it manually without updating its dependencies can lead to permanent errors. To ensure your system remains within verified parameters, you might choose to use an authorized maintenance path for ongoing support. If registry organization or startup behavior is a concern, the maintenance resource below includes the Ogg Vorbis Codec references. If this diagnostic guide saved you time launching Parent Software Suite today, please show your support by liking the video and subscribing for more expert-level troubleshooting.